When we do data work, it's very important we know where our data is located. To find out the data we need in a database, we can use several ways. The best way is to use an entity relationship diagram. Here is an example of an entity relationship diagram for AdventureWorks. This ERD was created in SQL Server Management Studio. We can see the tables and columns we can pull data from. More importantly, we can see how we need to do a join. If we use dbeaver, we can get a similar entity relationship diagram for AdventureWorks. If we don't have an entity relationship diagram, we can use the Object Explorer of SQL Server Management Studio to discover and explore the data. If we use dbeaver, then we can use the Database Navigator to discover and explore the data. Lastly, we can run SQL code to get a list of tables and columns in a database. We can also see the data types of table columns. Here is a list generated in SQL Server Management Studio. Again, we are using AdventureWorks for our demo. Here is a similar list generated in dbeaver. Keep in mind, the best way is to use an entity relationship diagram. We can see the tables, columns, and we can see how we need to do a join. With the SQL code, though we have a complete list of tables and columns, but we need to go through the long list to get the data we need, and it's more difficult to figure out how we need to do a join. This concludes our brief demo.